Introducing Hops House Leicester, a top-tier student accommodation choice for students seeking comfort and convenience. Nestled in the vibrant heart of Leicester, Hops House offers a variety of ensuite and studio options tailored to your needs. Every room in Hops House comes fully furnished with a double bed, flat-screen TV, high-speed Wi-Fi, desk, chair, and ample storage space, along with your personal bathroom. Plus, each room has a lockable bedroom for your security. But comfort doesn't stop there. Hops House ensures your living experience is hassle-free, with its common areas boasting a central heating system, secure bike storage, and on-site maintenance. Plus, all utility bills, Wi-Fi, gas, water, and electricity are included in the rent, along with 24/7 CCTV surveillance for your safety. Living in Hops House means you're at the center of everything. With University of Leicester and Montfort University just nearby, your commute to classes is a breeze. On weekends, indulge in a variety of dining options around Hops House, from Southern Spices and House of Hyderabad to Spice Bazaar and Grimsby Fisheries. There's a culinary delight for every palate. Enjoy a coffee break at Chopberry and Gelato, or grab a bite at Shake Shack. The choice is yours. And with major bus stops right outside the building, convenience is literally at your doorstep. Choose Hops House Leicester for a student life that blends comfort, convenience, and community. Head over at amberstudent.com and book your spot today.